From smart tech to surprisingly useful finds, these 25 viral TikTok gadgets are making waves in 2025. You've seen them on your feed, now see what the hype is all about. All product links are in the description below. Cutting butter just got way less messy. This one-click cutter slices perfect pats every time. No knife, no cleanup. Just load in a standard stick, press, and boom, smooth, even slices ready for toast, pancakes, or baking. The stainless steel blade does the job cleanly, and it's dishwasher safe for easy cleanup. It's simple, satisfying, and way more fun than digging with a butter knife. Stirring with a spoon? That's old news. This self-stirring mug mixes your coffee, milk, or protein shake at the push of a button. No effort needed. The high-speed motor blends everything evenly, while the lid keeps spills in check. Made from heat-resistant glass, it handles hot or cold drinks with ease. Just pop in 2 AAA batteries and let it do the work. It's your lazy morning's best friend. This table does more than hold your lamp, it powers your entire night. With built-in wireless charging and USB ports, you can juice up your phone while you sleep. No cords needed. The soft-touch LED lights set the perfect bedtime vibe with adjustable colors and brightness. Its round design, gold finish, and glass top add instant style. Ideal for small spaces, it's smart, sleek, and seriously useful. Waffles just got a serious glow-up. This gadget doesn't make ordinary waffles, it creates waffle bowls you can actually fill. Pour in your batter, close the lid, and in minutes, you've got the perfect crispy shell for fruit, ice cream, eggs, or even chicken. No special mix needed. Store-bought or homemade both work. It's non-stick, easy to clean, and turns every meal into a fun little edible masterpiece. This litter box practically cleans itself, because it does. The moment your cat finishes, it sifts the clumps and seals the waste away. No scooping needed. It's whisper quiet, with sensors that keep your kitty safe and relaxed. The app tracks visits and even monitors your cat's weight, so you're always in the loop. You can even start a cleaning cycle with your voice. It's smart, clean, and stress-free. Snacking and sipping just leveled up. This clever snack bowl sits right on top of your tumbler so you can munch and drink with one hand. Perfect for movies, road trips, or game day. It's got 4 compartments for all your favorites. Chips, candy, nuts, you name it. Just snap it into place and you're good to go. Lightweight, flexible, and made for fun on the move. Drying clothes doesn't have to take up space. This double-line retractable clothesline stretches out when you need it and disappears when you don't. Each stainless steel line holds serious weight, so go ahead and hang those towels and jeans. It's perfect for balconies, bathrooms, or even hotels. Just pull, clip, and let it do its thing. No clutter, no hassle. This speaker doesn't just play sound, it throws you right into the game. With 3D surround audio, every footstep and explosion feels like it's happening right next to you. The wireless bass subwoofer adds that deep, punchy boom you can feel. Bluetooth 5.0 keeps your connection stable, and the built-in mic makes it perfect for gaming chats. And those RGB lights? They turn your setup into a full-on light show. Cooling your room shouldn't take effort, and with this smart pedestal fan, it doesn't. You can control it with your voice, your phone, or the remote without ever getting up. It oscillates both up and down and side to side, sending cool air exactly where you want it. With 8 speeds, 6 modes, and ultra-quiet operation at just 25 decibels, this fan works hard without making a sound. Perfect for sleep, work, or serious chill time. Typing on the go just got a serious upgrade. This foldable Bluetooth keyboard fits right in your pocket, but opens up to full-size convenience. It connects to 2 devices at once, so you can switch from your phone to your tablet in seconds. The aluminum alloy shell feels sleek and sturdy, and there's even a built-in stand for your device. Lightweight, compact, and ready whenever you are. Classic TicTacToe just got a wild upgrade. This handheld game packs not 1, but 3 brainy challenges into one sleek device. Play against friends, or test your skills against an adaptive AI that actually learns how good you are. There's a memory mode to sharpen your focus, and a twisty version where bigger pieces can cover smaller ones. Compact, clever, and perfect for road trips or rainy days. This isn't your average drying rack. It's a laundry lifesaver in disguise. With a single tap of your foot, it unfolds like a blooming octopus, revealing 2 spacious tiers with 16 rods and 20 clips. Need to move it? The wheels glide smoothly, even fully loaded. Done drying? Collapse it down and slide it into a closet. Indoors or out, this rack is all about space-saving, stress-free drying. What if your wok could cook for you? This automatic cooking machine does exactly that. Just press a button and it stirs, rotates, and adjusts speeds, all on its own. From stir-fry to stew, it handles it with even heat and 0 fuss. The Smart Touch panel keeps things simple, and the self-cleaning mode, total game changer. It's like having a personal chef, minus the small talk. This trash can doesn't just sit there, it works smarter. With a built-in compactor, it squashes your waste down so you can fit up to 3 times more before taking it out. That means fewer trips and fewer bags. The odor filter keeps things fresh, and the design makes sure your hands never touch the mess. It's sleek, stainless, and surprisingly satisfying to use. This is like a meditation you can watch. The kinetic sand art table slowly draws mesmerizing patterns in real sand, helping your mind unwind with every swirl. You can control the design, speed, and lighting right from your phone. Whether you're working, relaxing, or just need a mental reset, it delivers calm on demand. Made with real bamboo, it's as beautiful as it is soothing. Motion sickness ruining your ride? These glasses flip the script, no lenses, just science. Each ring is filled with liquid that shifts as you move, helping your eyes and inner ear sync up. It creates a fake horizon in your vision, which tricks your brain and eases that dizzy feeling. No pills, no side effects, just natural relief in about 10 minutes. Ideal for cars, planes, boats, you name it. This RC car doesn't just drive, it performs. With a flick of your wrist, you can make it flip, spin, drift, and transform on the spot. The gesture-sensing glove gives you full control like a real-life superhero, or you can use the classic remote for precision stunts. It handles dirt, grass, and rocks like a pro. Lights, music, wild moves. This one's all about action and imagination. This looks like something straight out of a science fiction movie. It's a sleek touchscreen lighter that's more than just a timepiece. Just tap, and you've got a flameless ignition ready to go. It connects via Bluetooth for extra smart features, and the lacquered finish gives it a seriously futuristic vibe. The whole thing comes boxed up and gift ready, perfect for yourself or someone who loves clever tech. Forget wrestling with those awkward booties. This floor guard kit does it better. Just step, press, and go. It wraps a durable protective film right onto your shoes in seconds. Perfect for keeping floors clean during home projects or on job sites. One roll covers up to 187 pairs, and it works with any shoe size. No bending, no hassle, just clean floors made easy. It isn't just a mouse pad, it's your entire battle station upgrade. With built-in wireless charging, it powers your phone while you power through games or work. The oversized design gives your keyboard and mouse plenty of room to breathe. 10 RGB light modes set the vibe, from chill glow to full-on gamer energy. And with a non-slip base, it stays locked in even during the most intense sessions. Feeding time just got a whole lot easier and tidier. This silicone baby spoon doubles as a food dispenser, so you can squeeze just the right amount straight onto the spoon. No bowls, no mess. The suction base keeps it upright on any table, and the leak-proof lid means it's perfect for travel. BPA-free and soft on gums, it's gentle where it matters most.